Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to search for a specific author on Google Scholar using your phone. Let's get started. First, open Safari on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. In the address bar, type googlescholar.com and tap Go. You will now see the Google Scholar search page. In the search box, type the author's full name. For example, you can type John Smith and tap search. In the result, look for entries where the author's name is linked in blue. If the author has a Google Scholar profile, tap their name to open it. You will see all their published work, citation, and related research. If you only want work by the author, tap the advanced search option in the menu. Type their name in the written articles and search again. Make sure you have the correct spelling of the author's name, and if needed, add their middle initial to avoid confusion with others. And that's it. Now you know how to find an author's research quickly and easily on your Google Scholar using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.